Presence, Power and Profit was created by Mark Williams, who is expert in psychology and spirituality. Mark knows that lots of people want success and wealth in life. He knows that a lot of people are struggling to achieve what they want. The good news is that, by working on your personality, you can achieve success. Mark has decided to step up and use his knowledge to create a guide that will teach us how being a super likable person can help you succeed. Presence, Power and Profit. Click the link in the description below this video for details. Presence, Power and Profit is a comprehensive guide that will teach you everything you need to know about being a super likable person. You will learn what really triggers the presence, power and profit instinct in people, and learn how to be a magnetic personality who wins at life. You will discover these secrets that can help you win the love of your life, create good financial wealth, and have people want to please you and do what you want in life. It's all about having a good personality, as it can help you achieve happiness, money, love and abundance. Having success in life isn't just about giving good efforts, because personality goes a long way. It would be a good idea to be nice with people and gain popularity. You will also be having a 1-month free access to the amazing self-membership program that will help you discover more powerful ways to becoming the best possible version of yourself on a physical, mental and interpersonal level. There are also 3 bonuses that are offered in this program. 1. Audio Edition, which will be able to save this program to your iPod, MP3 player, mobile phone, or play it in the car. 2. Live Your Best Life, a 7-parts guided meditation program, which are meditation tracks that last only 5 minutes each. These meditations are powerful and can be extremely life-changing. You will learn how to discover your life's purpose, and reprogram yourself to be a naturally charismatic people person whom others look up to and respect. 3. The Ultimate Influence Private Workshop Recordings, plus PDF, which will help you discover how to take advantage of the mind's psychological shortcuts so that people naturally want to say yes to you, while respecting and liking you more in the process. 4. The Art of Small Talk Guide, which will show you how to develop the skills and techniques you need, even if you are a shy or quiet person. This program comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee if you aren't satisfied with it. Click the link in the description below this video for details.